guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my skincare routine. So these are the products that I normally use. So first I'll show you what they are, and then I will get into the routine. So I have the cleanser that I normally use. It's a rice repairing face wash foam. It's from the Fruit of Vocali company. And then I have my guys, I also have my scrubber or my exfoliate, whatever. I have my face scrub. So there are different types of scrubs. So when you're doing your skincare, for your face, it's important to use the one that is specifically for the face, because it's different from the one that you would use on your body. So this one is a combination of coconut and coffee, and it's from the Huda Beauty company. I also have some masks here. I have two types. One is organic plant essence strawberry, and the other one is olive oil. So I will use one of them for today. I also have my toner, which is from the Dr. Rachel company. It's a vitamin C brightening and anti-aging toner. I have my serum with me. So both are from the Fruit of Vocali company, and these both are they are both serums. But now one is called the donkey milk and the other one is blueberry. So I use both, but I usually alternate. But today I will just use one of them. Then I also have my moisturizer. It's also from the Fruit of Vocali company, and it is mostly made of aloe vera. So those are the products that I am using currently. So I will just show you how I normally do my skincare, and then yeah. So I usually start by making my face wet. So because I don't have a sink here with me, I'm using some wet cotton. So first I'll wipe my face like that. So the next step is to cleanse my face using my cleanser. I'm not going to use much. So you should be careful not to have it enter your eyes. As you can see, I'm using circular motion. So the cleanser helps to remove the excess, the dead cells on the skin and the excess oil. So at this point I'm going to wipe it off. If you have running water, you can use don't use hot water or warm water on your face. And in case you decide to wash your face using running water, you should tap your face dry using a towel. You should not rub, instead you should tap it dry. So now the next step, I'm going to use my mask. So I'm going to put on the mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. So this is how my mask looks like. there for 15 minutes. So see you after the 15 minutes. So guys, I have stayed with the mask for some time now, so I want to remove it. So you should stay with it for 15 to 30 minutes. So once you have removed it, you should tap your face so that your face benefits from the products in the mask. And you should not use the mask on if your face is broken, because it's meant for external use only. So guys, as you can see, my skin is already glowing, and for you to achieve the look that you want, you need to be consistent with your skincare routine. I normally do this every day. If you're able to do it in the morning and evening, the better. And then you should also listen to your skin. If for instance you're using a certain type of products and your skin starts reacting to it, you should stop using it. And then also you need to make sure that you're also drinking a lot of water to ensure that your skin is hydrated. Then the other thing is, if you have any problem with your skin or any complications, it's always good to visit a dermatologist. Yeah, so I'm done tapping in the products that were in the mask. So now I'm going to apply my toner. So after you're done doing the cleansing and the exfoliating, the skin pores are open. So when you use the toner, it helps to close those pores, because you're not supposed to exfoliate and leave your face like that. So this is my toner. I'm going to use a few drops. And then tap it in as well. So I'm done applying the toner. So the next thing I'm going to apply is the serum. It helps to tighten the skin and helps to make your skin look bright. Yeah, and also it helps to prevent the hyperpigmentation. Yeah, making sure that your skin tone is even, and it helps also to repair the skin and prevent aging. Like, I think it helps to prevent wrinkles. So I'm using the blueberry facial serum from the Fruit of Vocale company. So it's very big. I'm going to use just a few drops. So I'm spreading it throughout the face like that. So guys, can you see any changes on my face? So doing a skincare helps to make your face bright and smooth. It helps to soothe your skin. It leaves you feeling fresh. Yeah, so that's my serum. Once I'm done applying the serum, I usually come in with my moisturizer. Currently I'm not using any sunscreen. There are people who use the sunscreen after using the moisturizer. So for me, I just use the moisturizer. Mine is a soothing gel. Again, when you're using these products, it's important also to to consider your skin type. For example, if yours is an oily skin, you can use the gel, but if it's not oily, you can use your moisturizer cream. Yeah. So this is my one that I'm using. So I've been using it for a while and it's almost done. I'm not going to apply all of it. It's also good to make sure that when you're doing your skincare, you're doing it on your ears and your neck and this part, because to ensure that there is some evenness. You don't want your face to look bright and your neck is looking dark. Just the same way when you're applying makeup and you're applying foundation, you cover the whole part, the same case applies. Yeah, so guys, that's what I usually do. I have applied my moisturizer, and as you can see, my skin is glowing and it's looking nice, just the way I like it. And that one is supposed to last me the whole day, or even the whole night. Yeah. I'm done with my skincare routine. So once I'm done, I normally apply my lip gloss. Currently I'm using the Magic Lip Oil. So I'm using the lip oil. Sometimes I also use the Super Shiny Tasty Lip Gloss. So let me use this one for today. Okay, I like this one because it lasts the whole day. Okay, not the whole day, it lasts for a while. Okay, this one usually changes color. It turns a little bit into, it looks a bit pinkish after some time. Yeah, so that's it. That's my simple skincare routine. I hope that you've enjoyed watching it, and I hope that you've learned something. I know there are many types of products from different companies. All you have to do is just yeah, there are many products from different companies. All you have to do is check out which one works best for you and use it. Also consider quality of the products, affordability, because I know sometimes products can be quite expensive. But make sure that whatever you're using on your face is something that is not going to damage it. And in case you use a product and you notice some negative changes on your face, it's always good to discontinue that use. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to hydrate, drink a lot of water, have enough sleep, eat healthy food, and that way your skin will be young. It will look young, and your skin will be glowing, so that even when you use these products, they will only come to complement the goodness that your skin already has. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down there.